This 2027 Winnebago View 24R is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, TV antenna, water heater, slide-out, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, LP detector, TV, microwave, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-bath, rear bedroom. This 2027 Winnebago View 24R is built on a Mercedes-Benz RWD Sprinter Chassis and is powered by a 2.0L high-output, turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.